hair from one of my most favorite human hair wig makers, and y'all know that is Unice hair. I absolutely love Unice. I can vouch for them 100%. That's how long I've been wearing them. One of my most favorite wig companies. If you look in the description box, I'm gonna put a direct link and all the details to the wig that I ordered, but I'm also gonna put their social medias down there for you to check them out, because I can definitely recommend already before I even open the box. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, as I upload almost daily. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. If you're an oldie but goodie, Unice is not new to you. You know how I feel about them. So, like every other human hair wig that I review on this channel, all I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging, because y'all know I like to do everything. I'm just taking off the sticker. I like to do everything on camera with y'all, so you'll know what you get when you get it home. So the wig comes in this beautiful hot pink box, magnetic box, because people always ask me that. The box is magnetic snap closure, which is great for storage. And inside of the box, not only do we have the wig, we have all of the standard but awesome extras that Unice provides with their wigs. So we have 2 packs of HD wig caps. We also have some press-on nails. We also have an edge band with their branding on it. We also have the silk storage case, of course, the storage bag that Unice always provides. And they've included these amazing, that I cannot stress enough, amazing Bye Knots tabs that I actually use these on all of my wigs. That'll keep the wig secure. Everything looks great on my head, and they gave us a plethora of those. So this wig is a 7x5 Bye Knots lace wig. It is a water wave, and it is 24 inches long. Okay, I just read all of it directly off the packaging, but like I said, all those details are also down in that description box. Y'all know how I feel about, first of all, y'all see I only got an inch of hair. It's growing because I used to be bald. Y'all know how I feel about a wig. Like, it has to be a beginner friendly, easy throw it and go type of wig, and that's why I constantly get and purchase units from Unice, because it is just that everything has already been done for me. Look, I'm not concerned with plucking. I'm not concerned, nothing. I don't have to bleach. I don't have to glue. I don't have to do anything. It's all been done for me on this gorgeous water wave. Literally, all I'm going to have to do is wet this down and I'll be good to go. So as far as that cap construction goes, what makes it also beginner friendly is that 7x5 parting space, meaning it's enough lace to where you get some versatility. It looks natural, but it's not too much to where I'm getting overwhelmed. Okay, I'm not a full lace wig girl ever. I never will be. Okay, so that 7x5 is good enough for me. In the back, they've also given us an extended wide comb back there, some adjustable straps, and we have a glueless adjustable band that is a lifesaver that I absolutely love. Okay, so I can tell you off the rip that I'm going to love this. All I'm gonna have to do, like I said, is wet this down with some water, give you a 360, and I'll come back with my final thoughts. You guys, be right back.
We just talk. Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. Maybe our thoughts can't get away from without knowing. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're growing. Yeah. Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want me. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should hide. Tell me something I ain't heard before. Oh, I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on. So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Like this we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. Let me have thoughts, can't get away from without knowing. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk?
Alright, y'all, I'm back with my final thoughts on this gorgeous, gorgeous wig by Unice. And like always, I love it. Why do I love it? It's affordable. That's the first thing. Very, 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 very affordable. It is very, 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 very good quality. And lastly, it is super, super, super beginner friendly, y'all. All I had to do was take this unit out of the pack, wet it, swoop a few of those baby hairs back. You know, I ain't gonna do too much with baby hairs. Swoop a few of them back, and boom, this is what we got. This is just a gorgeous unit that I wholeheartedly recommend. At this point, I have this unit in every length, I think from like a 14-inch down to a 28-inch. That's how much I vouch for this unit. I definitely can recommend this one. This is one that you definitely want in your arsenal. This is a true throw on and go. You look at that description box, like I said, I'll put all the details to this exact one that I ordered, but I'll also put a direct link to their website so you can take a look around, because like I said, I love this one. But if you don't want this water wave, they have a straight, a yaki straight, a loose wave, a body wave, anything that you can think of, you can find on their website. So be sure to check it out, because like I said, I will always recommend them. One of my most favorite human hair wig companies. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye guys.